car's on. Get out of here. That's bad. The oil pressure is really good, man. Fuck, look at the oil pressure. It's revving really high at the moment. It will drop down as it warms up, I suppose, and get some water and stuff through it. But for the most part, it looks like we're pretty good. No fuel leaks. I've got to put more water in it. I think we're looking pretty good, man. Now we just got to test the gearbox. I'm going to let this warm up and just run for 10 minutes, 15 minutes more, and then we'll check the gearbox. All right, stay tuned. Reverse is the problem. Oh, did I get it? Nah, didn't get it. Oh, the gearbox has had it. Oh, it's time to test the gearbox. I'm in the car and it's been revving, it's been idling for however long, but it's time to check the clutch and the gearbox, and hopefully we've got no dramas. The clutch already feels heavy enough as it is because I took out the damper box, and with the, yeah, it's this is tight as. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Let's go, let's test this gearbox. Was that spinning? Now we're going to test record. Record reverse. No, reverse. Yeah, I just went through the gears, first, second, third, fourth, and reverse, and wow, what a difference. Like, I mean, I heard no crunching. The gearbox feels a bit notchy, but I did change the bushing inside the shifter. Maybe because the gearbox needs to warm up and get oil through it. So I put it in gear now, and I'm letting it just spin. It all looks pretty good, man. So, all right, so coolant's done. The revs are still sitting a little higher. They're sitting at about 1200, and I think maybe it's got to do with the throttle body. In the back of the manifold down here, there's a grub screw that you can turn, and it changes your idle. And I've wound it all the way in, so it's closed as much as it can, and it's still revving a little bit higher. So the wheel, the GKTECH wheel that I put on, do you see a little screw, like a little nut? That's the position that holds the throttle body butterfly. So you can turn that and, you know, screw it up or screw it down. That may not be closed all the way. I may have adjusted that when I was cleaning the throttle body by accident. So I'm going to adjust that and see if it fixes the revs. Because if that's open just a little bit, it can affect it by, you know, 200-300 revs. I'm going to loosen it actually so I can close the butterfly more, and hopefully that fixes it. If not, then I've got a vacuum leak somewhere. I hope I don't have a vacuum leak, but we'll see how we go. There's an issue down here. I don't think this cooler piping's on properly, to be honest, because you can hear a bit of a whistle when I'm about to rev it from here.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
All right. I'm spewing. I think it's the gasket. I think I can hear a gasket leak. The gasket that sits up against the manifold. Because I thought it was still good, so I put it back on. And clearly, it sounds like it's not good. So the manifold's going to come off again. It's exciting, that one. So that's not happening tonight. That will happen in another video. Or I'll probably just rip it off and change the gasket and put it back on and see how we go. But all in all, I think the car is back in one piece, and it is ready to go for the next track day. Like, I'm stoked. I can't believe I actually did it. For everybody that's been with me through the whole process, you know where we're at and you know what we've gone through to get it to this stage. So, you know, taking out the gearbox, fixing the gearbox, taking out the turbo manifold. Oh, you got, speaking of turbo manifold, look at this. I've got to show you something. You can see it's starting to go colourful. That's mad. Cleaning up my exhaust system, and which you can see in this video here. To painting underneath the car, which you can see in this video here. Like so much stuff that we've done throughout this time, you know, last probably 6 weeks or so we've done this. Yeah, it came out sick. Like, I'm stoked. I'm so happy about that. It's not funny. Fix this idle issue, get that happening. Next thing we're gonna do is the body kit. So we're gonna mount the body kit. I've got the front guards on it already. I've got the other rear quarters up there. So we're gonna put those on the back, take those off and put those ones on. And then we're gonna fit the body kit. I can't wait. I am so pumped to fit this body kit. And then after that, we're gonna make the bash bars. But I was waiting on the body kit so I can measure the bash bars to the body kit because I really wanna protect it as much as possible in case we hit another wall like we did last time. And yeah, I really just want to get it happening. I want to get it done. I can't wait. I'm so pumped, guys. Guys, thanks so much for joining me throughout this whole process. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And please smash that like button for me and subscribe if you're just joining me. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.